Stocks that gap up or down, also known as gappers, can present great trading opportunities for momentum day traders. These are stocks where the day's open price is significantly higher or lower than the previous day's close. And we can see that on this chart right here. The stock opens significantly higher than it did the day before. This usually represents some type of significant event or something that a diligent day trader would want to pay attention to. Finding these types of setups is incredibly easy using the Scanz platform. We'll just load up our Pro Scanner and start creating some rules. All we need is one basic rule to start finding stocks that are gapping up. I'll start by setting the first analytic to the day's open. I want to find stocks where the day's open is greater than or equal to the previous day's close. I also want to add an additional filter to make sure that the gap is significant. I'll set this to 5% for now. If I start the scan, I can see all results that meet these criteria. I have these results sorted by the number of trades, so I can go to the stocks where the most action is. These are the most liquid and may also be the most volatile. I can start checking out the charts by clicking on the tickers and going through to see if there are actually opportunities I want to partake in. Here, I can see a stock that gapped up but started to go red on the day. Next, I can go to ADXS, and I see a stock that is breaking out but also rejecting new highs. Here, I can see a stock that broke out of a range and is about to test a previous support level. I can continue to go through all of these different opportunities and choose which stocks I'd like to add to my daily watch list. If I wanted to find stocks that gap down, I would simply load up my Pro Scanner window again and change this qualifier to less than or equal to. Now I'm looking for stocks that have gapped down by at least 5%. I can bring this window over here, and I can start looking at these opportunities one by one. I'll link this to my chart window, and I'll start looking at these stocks that gap down. I can see SAVA had a nice little run and is starting to pull back today with a gap down in the morning. If I click on ZN, I can see a similar situation. The stock had a nice run, and now it gapped down and is continuing to move red. Once again, I can click through all of these different charts and see which stocks I'd like to pay attention to either today or in the coming days. Finding stocks that have gapped up and down is really that simple using the Scanz platform. So, load it up, open the Pro Scanner, start creating your scans, and start finding better trading opportunities. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.